Good day, my friends, and I welcome you back to our channel. I hope so now they follow all our lecture series. I beg you now they like our content, they share our content, and get time make una they watch all the videos where we put up. It will help your science day much better. Today we dey discuss about chordates, and the chordates where we dey discuss about now the Pisces. The Pisces now the fishes where they inside the river. Now the first thing to know now say these fishes they be aquatic organisms, meaning say to find them you need to go into the river. Any water body now inside there you will see all the different types of fishes. Different types of fishes where we get include catfish, dogfish, sharks, fin rays, mackerel, sharks, many different types of fishes there, and all of them they live their life inside aquatic environment. This one they important to know. Now different types of aquatic environment we get what they call saltwater environment, such as marine environment, such as the big seas and brackish environment. You also get what they call freshwater environment, such as our small rivers, our lakes, our ponds. And for inside all these environments, now there our fishes they and they live. Now many fishes they covered with what they call scales. Scales they cover the fishes from head to toe, and these scales they important because they provide protection for the fish, make the fish no dey easy to make predators can't eat up that fish. So the fins the scales they there for protection for the fish. Apart from protection too, we dey notice say these scales they slimy. That's the body of the scales they very slimy, and this one they help the fish to be able to move easily inside water. So all these things they important for the life of the fish. Another important thing to know say many fishes get fins. Different kind of fins they the body of different fishes. Now we get different types of fins which include such fins such as our pectoral fins, our pelvic fins, our caudal fins, our anal fins. If you look the body of any fish, they get all these fins. And wetin these fins they do now say they help the fish for movement. We know say fishes they swim for inside water, and now these fins they use to swim inside the water so that they will move from one place to another to the search for wetin they search for. Another important thing to note now say the fishes get wetin we dey talk say they dey poikilothermic. Say they dey poikilothermic. Some people they call them cold-blooded, but the correct term for science na poikilothermic. And wetin this one mean na say the fishes know they regulate their body temperature. Anytime if you want to know the temperature where fish dey, just check the temperature of the water itself. Now the same temperature the fish and the water they get at every given point in time. Fish no get the capacity or the capability to maintain temperature where they different from the temperature of the environment. So we dey talk say that fish dey poikilothermic, and all the fishes wey dey for the kingdom for the phylum Pisces then dey poikilothermic. This one dey important to note. It also dey important to know say na the gills fishes get structure wey they call gills, and na these gills they use for gaseous exchange. So they go take in oxygen and they go give out CO2 using these gills. So these structures dey important. They dey for the head region of the fishes, and they very important for them to survive. Fishes also get wetin they call lateral line. This line they run from their head to their tail, and wetin this line dey for now for sensitivity, irritability. As the fish they inside water, this line they help the fish to detect any movement wey dey for water, so that the fish go fit save himself from predators, save himself for other fishes wey wan destroy am, wey wan chop am. So this lateral line dey very important. Many fishes they get them, and they run from head to toe. The last thing to note for this first part of our discussion about Pisces fishes now say fishes get wetin they call swim bladder, and that swim bladder they help the fishes with buoyancy. Now wetin buoyancy mean? For the fish, as the fish dey for inside water, if they float, if dey for middle part of the river, if sink for bottom of the river. Now for the fish to dey fit dey all these different areas of the water, they use wetin they call swim bladder, or wetin they call its swim bladder. And how they take do am na say for that swim bladder be like balloon, and it dey for inside the body of the fish. Now the fish they keep a lot of oxygen they dey inside that swim bladder. Now just the way balloon they take work, if that swim bladder dey very full of oxygen, the fish go dey float because of the air wey plenty inside the swim bladder. If the fish need to descend into deeper areas of the river, wetin the fish go do now to just release some of the oxygen wey dey for the swim bladder. The fish go begin dey descend slowly down into the bottom part of the river. So the fish they use the amount of oxygen wey dey inside this swim bladder, they regulate the area where e go dey for inside the river. So we know say both the fins and the swim bladder na wetin the fish they use for in swimming and for in balancing or buoyancy inside the river. Thank you for listening to this our small lecture today. Muna like our content, share our content, and subscribe to our channel. Have a wonderful day.